Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a beginner class on how to chain. Today I'll be using a weight for yarn and a 4mm hook. First we're going to start off by placing the yarn between your index and middle finger. This will begin creating the loop to our slip knot. Now you're going to place your thumb inside the loop and begin slightly twisting the loop. It should begin to resemble an X. Now take your index and thumb finger and begin to pinch the other strand of yarn that's connected to the skein. Pull through the loop and now you have your slip knot. After finishing creating your slip knot, you're going to place it onto your hook and tighten the knot. Now we're going to begin chaining. So first you're going to loop over your yarn onto the hook. And place your hook through the loop. Continue yarning over. And pulling through the second loop. Now you have a chain of 2. Now here's just a closer look to how to chain. So you yarn over and pull through the loop, and you continue this for however long you want your crochet chain to be. Now, if you were to continue from here, you would always skip the first loop. This acts as a chain 1 and go into the next loop. For continuing, then you would pull the yarn through, and now you have the start of your second row. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The subscribe button is down below, and you will be notified of my next video, which will be up here. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for 600 subscribers, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.